Well, it's tulip time, and you know what that means. It's time for Wooden Shoe, and I'm with Karen. We're out in the fields, and we're here.
It's great. Welcome.
Right, and it's festival time.
It is. We are so excited to be open this weekend. As many of you know, we weren't able to open last year, and we're just so ready to open and welcome people out. We've done a lot of spacing out, if you will. We have 2 fields this year, and one here and another one out in our background, and so we're just excited to invite people out and to join us this year.
And people that want to come out, it's a little bit different than just a show up, right? What do they need to know?
Definitely. We've made some changes. As those who've come in the past know, that when we're full bloom and beautiful sun and the Mount Hood is out, we all want to be out here in the middle of the day and get that picture, postcard perfect picture. We do time ticketing. So people need to go to our website and pre-book the time. We have hourly timing. We're hoping, and we've reduced the number coming in, so we're controlling the number of people in at a time, so people can space out adequately when they are out here.
And is there, when they're out here, masking?
Well, we ask that people, where appropriate, wear a mask. Please follow, we are following the Oregon COVID guidelines, so we ask that people follow that. Be respectful of our employees and vendors. We want our customers to be safe, so where appropriate, it is wear a mask.
And for people that are want to follow along that aren't able to make it out, they can go and you have a webcam, right?
We do. Follow our website, and on that we have field report.
Okay.
And we post what the field's looking like, and it's a good idea to check that out. We've released tickets now, but we will be releasing more tickets like 7 days before. So that you can adjust your timing with weather and following what our predictions on full bloom are. So please definitely go to our website.
Right, and once they have their ticket, they still want to follow up because there's things that are changing all the time. So activities may change from day to day, or requirements may change from day to day.
Definitely. So we are trying to be very flexible, fluid, and again, safety is our top priority this year, because we all want to be able to spend time out in the tulip field, right?
And so, once we get our tickets, we come out here and we enjoy the tulip field. You also have some more goodies, and we're going to head inside to the gift shop to check those out. Well, now that we've visited the fields, I'm with Cassidy. We're out in the gift shop. And, customers that have come out, they've purchased their ticket, they're out in the fields. What else can they do while they're out here?
So we do have a beautiful gift shop here. There's all kinds of tulip themed items. We also have a ton of traditional Dutch trinkets, all of those types of things. We have gift boxes here, and we have some that are custom made to be like wooden shoe themed. Some of our gift boxes have wine, some of them have natural honey, all kinds of different things. And if you don't see one that you like, you can always come to the wine counter, ask for Gina, and she'll help you put together a custom box of your own. It'll really help you remember the festival, and you can always kind of remember those great times you had while you were seeing all of the flowers.
And in addition to the gift shop, you also have the vendors.
Mm-hmm. We do have vendors, so we've got coffee, we've got pizza, a lot of great things to try while you're out here. We do also have our vineyards. So that's our Wooden Shoe Vineyards wine, everything from Albarino to Marechal Foch. So we've got some great stuff here as well as that.
And red hemp.
Oh, and then the Red Barn hemp. We do have a Red Barn hemp counter. So CBD capsules, tinctures, dog treats, all those types of things.
And most importantly, we're out here for tulips. Can we get our tulips too?
And you can get tulips. You can get potted tulips. You can get cut flowers to bring home and brighten up your day. We do also have a senior delivery program, so you can add that onto your tickets, and you can brighten up the day of a senior. We'll go out and deliver those to them. And then we do also have bulbs available now.
And so, with the tickets, because they do need to purchase the tickets to be able to partake in all of these activities, right? Where should they go to get their tickets?
So go to woodenshoe.com under tickets. All of our ticketing is going through TicketSpice this year, so go and head over there, select your day and time. Even if you are buying a season pass, it's going to ask you to put in a time, and so just go ahead and do that, and then you'll be able to come for the duration of the season.
So Cassie, we're super excited for tulip season. The fields are going to be amazing. So for more information on the Wooden Shoe Bulb Farm, go to gardentime.tv, or you can go to Wooden Shoe's website and get more information. So Cassie, it's a pleasure being out here, and we're looking forward to the tulips.
Thank you.